disease, and what our expedition was, we were epidemiologists or disease detectives. And behind me is some pictures of a lab that we went to, and we found out that the disease was sickle cell. I learned that epidemiologists use a lot of tools like microscopes and pipettes so they can find what the disease is. This one's of me. I was looking at something for a procedure. This is of them making the gel with the electronic pipette. This is a class taking a picture in front of there. This was us making the cells model with the bottle. And this was them putting the dye in the gel to see what happened. And this is a research paper that someone did. Oh, and over there are our cell city projects we were comparing a cell to a city.
We're studying disease, and what we did was took a swab of our cheek, put it on the slide, added some water, and looked at it under the lowest power on the microscope to see if we can find the parts of that cell. If we can find the nucleus, the ribosome, lysosome, cells, nucleus wall, and things like that.
If you want a better image, okay, now you can look through, and so what do you see? That's the cell. That's the onion cell that you're looking at.
And in the onion cell, we have like the nucleus, chloroplast, like little bubbles. That's the important thing to help the cell break down all the nutrients and everything.
Here, you can actually make one if you want. You get your slide, and then a little piece of onion.
On my head.
What is this right here?
Your cheek cells.
Taking a sample of people's nanite, and then we put it on the slide. We put it in there, and then we let the person put it in there and see their skin cells.
Okay, so he's taking the sample of his cheek cells. He's gonna put it. He's making the slide, and then
put some water on.
Just a tiny bit.
And you put
What is that? What is that you put on the slide? In your hand, what's this?
the slide cover.
Okay.
That's why we add it, because then it makes parts of the cell look more like you can see them better.
Okay, so that's really going to be
like you can see the nucleus better and the
Chloroplast and
the cell membrane. Okay.
we gotta make a new slide, please.
Ooh. I have one with today and pickets with my sweater and he's very mad.
We learned that if you have a normal, that means you can possibly get the disease, but you have to take care of your body. But if you have sickle cell, you could actually die, or you could get surgery and an operation on yourself to get with all the chemicals and stuff that's out of you.
If you have a disease, then we had to test you, and we will find out you could possibly get the disease if someone in your family had carried the disease, and you could pass it on. And one time in your life you might have it, or you might have a sickle cell disease. You might have a headache, cause of more bleeding than usual when you first got hit.
Your stomach could possibly be aching, and you could be having muscle spasms.
You might have a migraine, which is a bad headache.
You should go to the doctors and ask them to test you, and then see if you can get a cure for your sickle cell, or is it too bad that you could possibly die.
It don't matter if you're white or black, you can still get it. Culture.
And then it is passed down by your family. So if you should ask your mom or dad, did they have sickle cell, and you should ask could it be possible if I had sickle cell?
Study, go to libraries, check out books.
I also think that you should ask your teachers if you go to school to can we study how sickle cell works, how sickle cell could be transported to your body.